Okay.
Are you having fun? Well, show me how it works.
I'm trying. I can't get it going around again. Hang on.
There you go.
Okay, so we're going backwards. Make it stop.
Lean out, lean out.
Jeez. Yeah, lean out where there's nothing to stop me so I fall off. Hi.
Hi. Well, that way, because if you lean in, it's going to speed you up.
There you go.
Did you like it?
That was very fun. And put the other foot on, and you spin.
Nice.
Except you can go really fast and like almost pass out, kind of.
Okay.
And you can slow down and speed up, and slow down and speed up. Yay, physics!
Are you having fun, Mom?
Oh my god. There we go. It's crazy. Oh. I'm done. That is really cool.
Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, we're ready. Alright, so this is from spinning angle.